Morning, tubers. Dirty Diesel here. Doing a little video on my stack. Three and a half inch. I think it's hilarious when people have like dual 8-inch stacks. It makes it look retarded. I also think, now that I just mentioned that's why they get so much swirl. Like, you've seen it, you've been behind someone with giant stacks and the exhaust doesn't come up and out proper. Like a semi, it kind of swirls and puffs around because it's too big of a pipe. So I think having a normal size tube, no bigger than like 4-inch, 5-inch seems, dual 5-inch sounds stupid. Like, say you got a Dodge, there's only one output. That's what's so funny. And the same with this. This is a V8, but it goes into one exhaust output from the turbo. So why are you going to put dual stacks? I mean, I understand you want to look cool or whatever. So I do get that because it's personal preference, but I think it makes the smoke build up on the back of your truck. My truck, you could see the soot on there. It's very light. That's been about 2 years worth of use. I don't get any soot build up here. Like on my window, my hands are super clean. I never wash my truck either, so it would be all over there. But I bought this exhaust shielding off of eBay. All I did really was, you see there's some holy iron right there. Wrapped it around and screwed it to hold it straight. That's like plumber strapping to hold plumbing pipes into place. And you just cut a hole right down through your bed, obviously. It's real simple, redneck style. That right there is where the catalytic converter started, and I just cut that out. And you go up the bed there, wherever you want, obviously. I couldn't find really a better spot. I didn't think sticking it on the side of the truck was cool, because then you could burn yourself all real easy. I cut that one mount off the stock exhaust and welded it up so it has a rubber mount there. So it's pretty simple. You just buy some I believe the turbo is 3-inch down, and then it gets to 3.5 right here. So I believe it's 3.5-inch pipe. You just go buy some of that from your exhaust shop. I think I got mine on Amazon. And then let's see, it's pretty simple. You buy a flapper. I got that flapper. It's a tractor exhaust flapper. I got that off Amazon. I enjoy the flapper because when I'm sitting up in my house, up over here, seeing if it's warmed up yet in the morning, the flapper will be it'll be way going up, and then it tilts down once it's idling real chill. So it basically gives you knowledge of what kind of rev's going on in your truck. Also, as you can see, it's about a foot and a half higher than my truck. And so that it shoots off, there's my trailer right there. It shoots above my trailer. And that's another thing I like. I don't like it to go all over my trailer. When you floor it, it'd be coming out right here and just going back right onto your trailer. I've seen a lot of trailers really black. Also, it keeps it away from the cars. The people behind you do not get any smoke. They don't have to breathe your diesel. It just goes up and out, and it has this nice curve. And it goes, I'd say, a few feet up and out. So make this real sweet, short and sweet, under 5 minutes. That's how you install a quick stack on your truck. It's only about maybe $100 worth of pipe. And maybe a little more, maybe 120 bucks altogether with the shielding, and then you got to weld it all up yourself. But all right, tuber, laters. Dirty Diesel out.